Hey everybody, here's a quick foaming soap dispenser unboxing. I got this on Amazon a while back and it took me a while to open it. I really like these things. I'm a little bit obsessed. My husband thinks I have something of a problem, but I just think they're a lot more convenient than a big old sticky yucky bar of soap. So that thing in the little plastic, black and white clear plastic, is some sort of mounting apparatus, but you'll notice it has a reservoir on the bottom. You pull that off, then you have to undo this, I don't know what, it's like the tube into the motor that creates the foaming soap. So it took me a while to get that sucker off, and I finally did. Yeah, I was afraid to break it, but I did get it off without breaking it. And then there's this recessed battery compartment, and I like that because it's very unlikely that there's going to get, any water in there. For some reason, on my first try, I thought it took AAA batteries, but no. I went back and I got the AA's and I put them in. And I'm actually looking at another one that is rechargeable, so I think that's going to be better and more economical in the long run. So I used my favorite, there's my Kershaw knife, my favorite shower gel. This one's for the shower. I put probably a ratio of about 1 to 5 soap to water, and I use distilled water because I live in the country and it's the water here is super hard. It has a lot of deposits, it puts deposits in and ruins machinery and all that. And I do have a softener, but it just, for me, distilled water, we have a distiller, so it's not a problem. And there you go. That's the blue, that's the first setting, then the white is a greater setting, then red is off. And I hope you liked it. I really like this. Thanks for watching.